Hey, what's up YouTube? John here. Hello and welcome back. Would you like to have fun, get in shape, and release stress all from the comfort of your own home? Well then I would recommend getting a heavy bag. In this video I'm going to tell you about my heavy bag, some of its features, and why I decided to get it. So let's go check it out.
Alright, so this is a 100-pound UFC heavy bag. It's a little over 4 feet long and it's great for at-home use because it doesn't take up a lot of space, especially if you can screw it straight into the ceiling. So as you can see, I put a piece of wood across the studs in my ceiling and then just screwed an eye bolt into that. But you don't need that extra piece of wood across the ceiling. You can just put an eye bolt straight into the studs and that would work too. Or if you didn't want to mess up your ceilings, you could always get a bag stand, which you can find at most sporting goods stores and of course online. I'll put some links below if you want to check it out. What's different about this bag from other bags is this handle at the top. You can grab this and do different things like throw knees or whatever else you can think of to do with it, but also it has a strap at the bottom here where you can actually tie it off and anchor it to the floor just so that it's a little more stable and it's not swinging around so much, so that's nice. I got this. This was a deal that I couldn't pass up. I found this at a Sports Authority on clearance, and besides the price, what I love about this is the exercise you can get done with this thing. You control the intensity. It can range all the way from lightly playing around on the bag all the way up to a sprint where you're just going all out for 30 seconds or whatever the time is, but it allows for an awesome workout in a short amount of time. Now I'm going to demonstrate this thing in action, so take a look.
About this or similar items, click the link in the caption below, and also in the comments tell me, what do you guys do for exercise? And with that, just leave any thoughts or questions you have down below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time right here at the gym.